To use Amazon S3, you need an Amazon Web Services account. If you don't already have one, you'll be prompted to create one when you sign up for Amazon S3. Make sure you have signed up an account before you proceed with this video. So in this tutorial video, you'll learn how to use Amazon S3 to store and share your files. Sign into the AWS Management Console website and open the Amazon S3 console. To store your files in Amazon S3, you must create a bucket because all the files and data you would want to store in Amazon S3 will be stored in that bucket. So let's create a bucket. In the Create a Bucket dialog box, in the Bucket Name box, enter a bucket name. The bucket name you choose must be unique across all existing bucket names in Amazon S3. One way to help ensure uniqueness is to prefix your bucket names with the name of your organization. After you create a bucket, you cannot change its name. Ensure that the bucket name you choose is appropriate. In the Region box, select a region. For this example, I'll simply select Oregon from the drop-down list. Click Create. When Amazon S3 successfully creates your bucket, the console displays your empty bucket in the Buckets panel. You've created a bucket in Amazon S3. So here, you can upload your files and data into the bucket. You can add in any kind of file, a text file, a photo, a video, and so forth. When you add a file to Amazon S3, you have the option of including metadata with the file and setting up permissions to control access to the file. To upload a file, click the name of the bucket that you want to upload an object to, and then click Upload. If you want to upload an entire folder, you have to click and drag the files to upload over here. Now click Add Files. Select the file that you want to upload and then click Open. Click Start Upload. You can watch the progress of the upload from within the Transfer panel. And your upload's done. You can use Amazon S3 in a few simple steps to upload your files for storage and sharing purposes.